Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making one of my all-time favorites, sesame noodles. Look at this beautiful bowl. Creamy sesame sauce coating every strand. Fresh veggies adding color and crunch. Doesn't it just make you hungry? Alright, let's get started. We will prepare half a cucumber first. Just cut it into thin strips. Nice and simple. Now, bring a wok of water to a boil. Add about 1 teaspoon of salt. Then drop in the noodles. Cook them until they are just right. Then rinse under cold water and drain well. That way they stay bouncy, not sticky. Next comes the sesame sauce. In a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of sesame paste. Slowly add warm water and stir until it turns silky smooth. Then mix in 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Beautiful color already. In another bowl, add minced garlic, half a tablespoon of chili flakes, and half a tablespoon of sesame seeds. Pour some hot oil over the top to release all that aroma. Smells so good already. Then add 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of MSG, and half a tablespoon of sugar. Finally, pour in over sesame paste while stirring. And there we go! Rich, nutty, fragrant sauce is ready. Time to put it all together. Into the noodles, add cucumber strips, a little shredded carrot, some fresh cilantro, and a handful of roasted peanuts. Pour the sesame sauce right on top and give everything a good toss until every noodle is coated. Look at that! Smooth, glossy noodles with pops of green and orange. So inviting. Let me try a bite. Wow! Every strand is covered in that rich sesame flavor. The crunch from the veggies and the peanuts, absolutely satisfying. This is the kind of noodle dish you will want again and again. Don't just watch me eat. Go make it at home and you will enjoy it too. Thanks for watching. See you next time.